Hi guys, my name's Kaylee. I am team member of Talent Search Cymru and also former VOTV contestant. So I'd like to give you some advice and just let you know how fantastic you've been so far. You've done really well with all your performances. I would like to just advise you to take every opportunity you're given, whether it's advice, critique or song choices, and just go for gold. Enjoy every moment, sing it like it's your last time. And I know we're doing it from home and it's a new experience, but just make use of everything in your house, props, backgrounds, lights, go for gold. Enjoy yourself, have a really good time, and also give the mentors a really hard time to make a decision. That's all I'm going to say. All the best, good luck for this week, and I cannot wait to see what you bring.
When I was a little girl, I had a rag doll, the only doll I've ever owned. Now I love you just the way I love that rag doll, but only now my love has grown, and it gets stronger in every way, and it gets deeper. And it gets higher day by day. Ooh, I love you, my oh my, yeah. A river deep, mommy high, yeah, yeah, yeah. If I lost you, would I cry? Oh, how I love you, baby, 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 baby. When you were a young boy, did you have a puppy that always followed you around? Well, I'm gonna be as faithful as that puppy, and no one's ever let you down. And it goes on and on like the river flows, and it goes deeper, deeper as it grows, and it gets a little deeper as it goes. Ooh, I love you, my oh my, yeah. A river deep, mommy high, yeah, yeah, yeah. If I lost you, will I cry? Oh, how I love you, baby.